Hey, what's going on, YouTube, my family, and my friends? It's Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. And today, I have this design here. It's Let's Roll design. Alright? So, pretty much, this is what the design looks like. Let's roll. Now, it is transparent, so you don't see the black outline that's on it. So let me open it up here. I'll open up the guide. Alright, so the guide shows that if you're going to sublimate it, it is 10.194 inches by 10.608. Alright, that's the size you will sublimate this image to. And here, inside of the subs folder, you have all of these subs here. It's 10 of them in different colors. Okay, so you will pretty much size this design up here to, you'll size it to 10.194 by 10.608 and print that out using your sublimation printer. Okay, and then if you want to layer vinyl on top, you can cut out this vinyl and this vinyl, because there's two rows of vinyl, so two colors of vinyl. Alright, and then as you can see, each part of the vinyl includes parts to the design. Alright, here's just the skate outline by itself, and you will size that to 10.056 by 7.344. So let's talk here. Even if you just wanted this skate here, you can sublimate this part and sublimate just this part. So you will drag, let me show you y'all real quick. Alright, let's go actually to that design and open up that design. Whoa, I got a lot going on. Let's see here. Let's roll skate. Here we go. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this here. Make a copy of it down here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag each section out. Okay? First, let me get all of this red together. Right now I'm just zooming in, selecting all the pieces to the red while I'm holding shift. Let me make sure I got them all. To edit, let's nudge that over. Alright, that's all the pieces to the red. Let me nudge it back over. And actually, let's get this piece to the red too here. Alright. And let's nudge all that over. Boom. Alright, so that's one section, right? That's the red. Now next we have this gray. And it all matches up, y'all. Every piece should pretty much match up accordingly. Alright, that goes with this gray. Nudge it all over. Combine it together. That's 9.707 by 10.494. Here it is up here. 9707 by 10494. This one right here, 9947 by 10272. Alright, those are those two pieces. Let's go back. Let's nudge this one over. Alright, so it fits there. Next, we have this black outline. Nudge that over. Alright, there's the whole shoe with the plate. Now this gray, let's nudge this over. Hold shift and weld it to that gray. Alright, this red piece, you're gonna nudge this over and weld it to the red. So now we have our Let's Roll design. Alright. Now those are the three pieces that you need. Is the vinyl color 1 and vinyl color 2. And then you want to go to your Cricut. I haven't opened up Cricut in a while, so it may do the update, of course, downloading the update. Okay, real quick. Ask for the sublimation image. So the sublimation image is the same size as well. It is 10.194 by 10.608. So if you sublimated it and then want to add this gray outline piece to it, you can do that, like so. Because I definitely made it to match, which means that you will cut out the, you'll print out the sublimation image, and then you can highlight that sublimation image with either vinyl color 1, vinyl color 2, or both. Or you can even get fancy, real fancy, right? And decide you want to highlight the shoe in like a reflective yellow or something. You know what I mean? Right. But as far as taking the wings off, the wings are part of the skate outline. If you're doing a vinyl shirt, or if you're doing a dark color shirt and you have to use vinyl, you want to start with the skate outline. Whether you use reflective, whether you use white, you want to start with the skate outline, because the skate outline gives you all of the pieces that will show you where to place vinyl color 1 or vinyl color 2. Alright, now for the stones, here we have the stones, then we have the stones ungrouped. Ungrouped is basically for people that are using, to my knowledge, people that are using Silhouette Studio and they need the stones ungrouped already. So that's what that file is for. But if you're using a Cricut, like so, then you'll go, let me sign in real quick. They should know it's me. Oh, okay, it was right. Alright, let's go here to upload. Go to upload image. Let's go to browse. What was it called? Let's roll. Alright, so when you got the folder open, you can pretty much just drop in the stones here. Boom. There's the stones. You can hit upload. All you want to do is do a cut image. Let's click here and add the canvas. When you add it to the canvas, it comes in at 10.502 by 11 inches. Let's check the guide. 10.501 by 11 inches. So let's change it. Let's first unlock it here. 10.501 by 11. That's what we want it to be. Alright. Then we'll hit make it here. And it will show you what it will look like once you place it on the mat. Once you place your rhinestone flock on the mat, exactly like so, you'll be able to cut out that let's roll. Alright. Let's cancel. Let's go back. Let's delete that part. Next, you'll want to upload image. Now you'll want to drag in your skate outline. You need the skate outline part because the skate outline part lets you know where to put all the other pieces. And as I'm looking at it, let me see here. Okay, so what I did, okay, so the skate outline here is supposed to have the stars in the circle. Okay, let me fix that. Well, I still got it open. So that's the only thing that the skate outline, but I have it right here. But for some reason, alright, they didn't. Okay, so let's just weld all that together. Like so. Alright. And let's grab it, export it, skate outline, export it as a SVG. We want to put it in that same folder. Let's roll. Skate outline. I'm going to delete that one and replace it with this one. Alright. So now, let's replace that image with our skate outline. Let's refresh this. There it is. What happened there, y'all? Let's check it in this folder. What's going on? Is that what it looked like for real? No, that's what it's supposed to look like. So let's see here. Let's try it again. We're going to drag it in, because we're supposed to be able to drag it in. Why is it coming up like that? Skate outline, open. Wow. Alright, let's go here. I get down to the nitty gritty, y'all. So why is it coming up? Alright, that's it. Let's take the outline off of it. Let's save it again. Delete this one. Save this. Go back to the folder. Let's refresh it. I double click on it. It opens up like that. You can see it. Let's go back to our Cricut. Let's replace that image. We're going to browse for it because that's skate outline. There it is. Let's open it. There it is. Boom. With the stars in it and everything. We hit upload. That's the cut image. And add the canvas. It comes in at 10.055 by 7.344. Check the guide. 10.056 by 7.344. So right here we unlock it. 10.056 by 7.344. Alright, that's the size it's supposed to be. I don't know why I didn't change it. There we go. 10.056, 7.344. We hit make it. Send it to our cutter. And that's the cut job right there, y'all. Alright. Of course, we'll hit continue. I don't have my Cricut hooked up right now, so it's going to say connect machine. But yes, design works, y'all. It works. Some people have tried it, you know, and they're like, I don't know what's going on, and I'm not quite sure what's going on. So hopefully this video helps. As long as you have each size sized up accordingly, they should match together. This is Ray Jones, Excellent Dreams, Mr. Rhinestone King, Mr. Bling Genie, and I'm out.